this is where I'm getting my traffic from. Um, Free advertising for you is the top one. Um, Herculist, active safe list, ad tactics, European safe list, and it just goes down the list here. And when you get down here, there's 27 more. Okay, look at this. Reached the world, the whole world. This internet stuff is awesome. Okay, let's get to it. So I keep my ads over here in TextPad, ready to go. And this one I just wrote. But I want to start out with that top one. It's not in the safe list. I gave it its own category. Free advertising for you, FAFI. Let's just go there first. You must view at least 4 ads today to use this. Okay, so this is like worth it. Look, there's one of my ads. I'm telling you, I'm so excited. I can't stand it. All right, what am I doing here? All right, so the way these safe lists are, it's just like writing an email. I'll take this URL out. He doesn't want it in the body. Control X is cut. And I'll paste it down here. Control V, like Velcro, is paste. All right. Now, you can personalize these. It's probably a good idea. Squiggly, F name. All right. So that'll fill in their first name. And I think that's ready to go. I'm going to save this, and I'm going to just send this every day. Well, I think I can mail every 2 days or something. Okay, then I test my site to see if it breaks frames.
Been there.
Okay, it approved it, and it's done. All right. Your solo ad has been set up and has been placed in the queue for sending. Click here to go back. So I'm done with that. So everything else is under safe list. So we're going to safe list. If you're new at internet marketing, start with these 2 sites. They have many, many safe lists, and they give you free credits. This one I think gives you like over 80,000 free credits. And I forget how many the other one does. So here's what's on here. You can just go down the list. And, you know, before I fired my boss when I was working at the bank, I get up in the morning and just do DMOs. You know, boom, 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 post ads, go to work, come back, check my emails when I come back. And I was making more money at home than I was making at work. And that's where I got to the point where I could make the transition. All right, so let's go back and get that ad because I butchered it up. I just Control-C copy. I'm going to do Herculist. This mailing list is over 70,000. Okay, email database. I'm putting the brand new one in here. Ta-da. Right, now he says you can put it in the body, okay? But you also got to put it in the credit link area. Put your URL here. All right, now before I submit it, okay, I guess I don't have to save it. It's going to automatically save it. So there's a new one. Ba-boom. Successfully sent mail to 78,985 members. And I had calls on the phone and said, I saw your ad on Herculist. Okay, so this sucker works. And he's got other lists too. Check this out. Here's 87,000. All right, so that's done. Active safe list. Credit mailer. Now this one I have one saved ad in there, and I can just go there. Let me just show you. You can save it. I'm a free member, so you can only save one. The internet's best kept secret. See, I can send this again, but I'm going to put a new one in here. The subject line up here. Put the URL down here. Get rid of that subject line. This one doesn't have personalization disabled. See? All right. So as a free member, I'm allowed to send to 5,000. And then you're allowed to do one link in one of their categories. post in one category, so I'll just say make money online. I'm only allowed to save one, so it's not going to save it anyway, so I'll just send it. So that went out to 5,000 people. Mailing in progress. We'll let you know when it's finished. Boom. We just go down the list. Add troopers. Send mailing. You always want to check the rules out. There's my credit link, or my link. It turns into a credit link. This one I'm allowed to mail 4,500. Sent to my downline. I have a few in here. Subject. See, I'm going to copy that up there. Then I can copy this whole thing before I get rid of that. First name with a pound sign. All caps. I don't always do this part. I'm just showing you. It's good though to do that. Boom. And some of them have a check. They run your site through a frame breaker.
How I fired my boss.
All right, then you confirm it. Make sure that everything looked good. Been queued. So you get the picture. I just go down the list. Let's do this one. Credit mailer. $1,185,471 credits left. And I'm allowed to send 16,558. There's not too many safe lists that let you send to all of them. 16558. Okay. You just go down the list. All right. And you can return to the vault here on every page. You can go back here. And then under traffic exchange, you can check this all out. But under traffic exchanges, I did a demo up here not too long ago. Take your commando surfing. I think that's,
Hey, this is Frank Lefebre.
I think that's surfing with no underwear. I'm not sure. But these are all good. That one, they're all good. All of them. My favorite ones are Traffic G. That one is at the top. And Traffic Ad Bar. Webmaster Quest. All of these. This is my favorite. It's at the top. It's for you. That's where you can get a free rotator in there. If you need a rotator. All right, so you can. This is the demo here, and then subscribe to my YouTube channel on every page. And I have everything archived up there. I made my 600th video today. I couldn't believe it. So that's a daily. You know, I just do this every day. My webinars were getting boring because here's what I do. I mean, it's like it's not. I don't do anything great. It's just that I've been doing it. I do it every day. I got a habit. So check this all out. Do something every day in your business, and you will. It has to grow. If you plant seeds, some of them are going to grow. But if you ever planted a garden, it takes time. But that's what you got to do. And just know that, you know, there's going to be fruit. And if people give up too soon. I've seen people quit like right before a breakthrough, you know, because it's hard to go when you don't see. You know, you just got to plant seeds, water them. I call, you know, what I just did was planting, and then the autoresponder keeps watering them, you know, and boom, 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 they start, you know, sometimes in spurts, sometimes you get dry spells, you know, just like the weather. I mean, it's life. But the key is to never give up, go forward, be diligent, just do something every day, whether you see anything or not. That's called faith. All right, I've rambled on enough. Thanks for your time, and we'll see you again soon.